know this recoil lug is not the standard size that comes on a Remington. How did y'all go about resolving that issue?
Well, on a Remington, the standard recoil lug size is 3/16 of an inch. And we make these a quarter. Of course, we can make them 3/16 if you want them 3/16. But we make them a quarter, and we also make them thicker than that. And this is Shelly's favorite hunting gun and shooting gun. What we do is the recoil lug is right here. You take the barrel off. If you had a standard Remington recoil lug, it's going to be 3/16 of an inch thick. You take the barrel off, remove 62 thousandths off the face of the barrel, and then you put it back together. The 62 thousandths is the difference between the 3/16 recoil lug and the 1/4 inch recoil lug. That's our standard. So that's the way we do it. We just take 3/16 off of the barrel, and it shoots more consistently accurate groups than it ever had before. So with that, guys, with the saddle system we have here, everything is locked together. Saddle up and let's go shoot.
Let's go shoot.